Biohacking has been a really popular term over the past few years, and I even had someone tell me that they want to live forever. I mean, I don't think I want to live here forever, but I do want to live healthfully. And so there is a new research study that was published last year in the Journal of Aging, the first randomized control trial that showed this nutrition regimen with lifestyle regimen was able to decrease the biological age of the participants. And that's what I want to talk about today. I want to talk through everything they did on the nutrition side of things. I'll screen share from the study, all the details, and then the lifestyle side of things. But to do that, we have to rewind a little bit, and I want to explain the difference between chronological age and biological age. So chronological age is probably what you think of when you think of age. It's how many years it has been since you were born here. And so it's like, how many birthdays have you had? And biological age is how old you appear. And per the research, this is a better predictor of all-cause mortality. And so getting that lower is really ideal for living a healthy life long term. And how biological age is tested in the research is by a DNA analysis of methylation using saliva samples. I will link the study below if you want to dig in and learn more about the research methods. So I'm Ashley Oswald, a functional medicine dietitian and owner of Oswald Digestive Clinic, where we help people improve and eliminate bothersome gut issues like gas, bloat, diarrhea, constipation, abdominal pain, and more. We accept insurance now, which is very exciting. And if you want to work with our clinic, you can schedule your initial appointment below. So without further ado, let's dive on in and talk about this study. So to start, this was a study on 43 adult males aged 50 to 72. And yes, in the future, bigger studies can be great and more diversity, but this is a good start. And as mentioned, it's the first of its kind RCT, randomized control trial, which is gold standard in research. And so after 8 weeks of the program I'm going to describe to you, the researchers found that the treatment group had a 3.23 reduction in years in their biological age. So 3.23 years of that biological, how somebody seems, the age that you appear, and this is the one tied to all-cause mortality. And to add, some lab markers were checked. So a 25% reduction in triglycerides was seen and a decrease in LDL cholesterol, which is known as the bad cholesterol. We, of course, would want to dig deeper and see what the particle size is, but that's a topic for a different video. All right. So in this study, what they did, we have the nutrition side of things, and then we have the lifestyle side of things. I'm going to give you a big picture overview, and then I'm going to pull up all the details, and we'll walk through exactly what does that mean. So the lifestyle side of things, they were exercising at least 30 minutes a day, at least 5 days a week at 60 to 80% perceived exertion, doing some breathing exercises twice a day, and then getting at least 7 hours of sleep. Now, from the nutrition side of things, they're eating a mostly plant-based diet with some really nutrient-dense meats in the form of liver and eggs. They were lower carbohydrate, had some mild intermittent fasting, and were on a couple of supplements. One is a fruits and greens powder, and then one is a probiotic. So I'm going to pull up now all the nutrition details, and let's walk through it together. All right, so as you can see here, the guidance per week was 3 servings of the liver, 1 serving is 3 ounces, preferably organic, 5 to 10 eggs per week, ideally free range, organic, omega-3 enriched. Guidance per day was 2 cups of dark leafy greens, 2 cups of cruciferous vegetables, and all these foods are kind of strategic to help improve the methylation status and help to reverse DNA damage. And so 3 additional cups of colorful veggies of your choosing, 1 to 2 medium beets. Beets are really great at helping with high blood pressure. So if you're struggling with that, you might want to look into that. Beet kvass is an easy and fun way to get in some beets with some probiotics too. 4 tablespoons or 1/4 cup pumpkin seeds, 4 tablespoons sunflower seeds, 1 serving of methylation adaptogens, which you can choose from berries, rosemary, turmeric, garlic, green tea, oolong tea, 6 ounces of animal protein, grass-fed, pasteurized, organic, hormone, antibiotic-free, 2 servings of low glycemic fruit, and then some general guidance they provided was organic preferred over conventional, stay hydrated, and if you've seen our other videos, hydration means light yellow urine, clear and you're overhydrating, dark yellow, you're underhydrated. Don't eat between 7 p.m. and 7 a.m. Include healthy oils. So we have some other videos on what healthy oils are. The guidance that they give is balanced types of fat. Example, coconut, olive, flaxseed, and pumpkin seed oil. Avoid added sugar, candy, dairy, grains, legumes, beans, and minimize plastic food containers. And so I hope this is interesting to you, some foundational, right, nutrition recommendations. And again, after just 8 weeks, they found a 3.23-year reduction in their biological age. So very significant. And of course, my brain starts spinning because in functional medicine, we know how powerful food is, and we've seen people reverse things that they were told they would just have for the rest of their life. One very easy example of that is type 2 diabetes. I've seen people's arthritis get significantly improved. A more superficial example, I suppose, would be collagen used to decrease wrinkles, but then on the non-superficial side of that, it can significantly improve osteoarthritis. And who wants arthritis when they're older, right? Like that really negatively impacts mobility. In functional, at the clinic I was working at in California in functional medicine, the doctors were checking the carotid arteries with ultrasounds and seeing how much plaque and buildup there was. And we were actually seeing reversal in that plaque buildup using food as medicine, basically, in these functional medicine approaches, targeted supplements. So if you're interested in exploring this, if you want some labs ran on you to see what might be going on, I just ran a bunch of labs on myself actually, consider scheduling an appointment with our clinic. We take insurance now. Many of our clients have full coverage for unlimited appointments, which is amazing. And so there's a link below if you want to pursue that. And I hope you all are having a great day, and I hope to see you on the next video.